Many people believe that a drug is only something illegal or something that you must receive with a prescription from a doctor, but this is not true. Then, what is a drug? A drug is any chemical and substance that is ingested, inhaled, or used in other way that affects your body by altering the chemicals and physical responses. The substance must have the ability to cross the brain barrier so that the substance enters and affects brain functions in any way. What is a drug? Drugs can be good or bad, depending on the drug being used and the reason for the use. An antibiotic is a drug, and it's used to fight infections. Heroin is another drug, one that causes thousands of deaths in the USA each month, and it's highly illegal. What is a drug classification? Drugs are classified according to what they do and how they are used. For some people, illegal street drugs and alcohol are the only accurate answers to what is a drug, because these are what most individuals think of when substance abuse is a problem. The truth is much more expansive, and even the caffeine in your morning cup of coffee or the chemicals in a cigarette, including nicotine, are classified as a drug. So, what is a drug? Anything that changes the activities or responses in the body and affects the brain. What is a drug? Illegal street drugs can include marijuana, cocaine, heroin, methamphetamines, and even prescription pills if the person using them is not the person the pills were prescribed for. Not all drugs are illegal, even if they are harmful. Alcohol is legal for anyone above a certain age, but this drug can create an addiction that destroys lives just as often as street drugs. What is a drug? A drug can be legal or illegal, prescribed or over-the-counter, and involves any substance that alters your reactions or functions. The answer to what is a drug is the one that may be different depending on who is asked with this question. Some may not consider coffee or soda with the caffeine a drug, but these substances meet the technical definition and can cause an addiction just like heroin or alcohol. What is a drug? The broadest definition defines a drug as any substance that interferes with the neurotransmitters in the brain and that changes the function or amount of these chemicals.